Weather Service Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along the line extending from 6 miles southeast of Scottsburg to 6 miles west of New Albany and moving east at 25 miles per hour. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning, heavy rain reducing visibilities, half-inch hail, and strong gusty winds of around 45 to 50 miles per hour are expected with these storms. These storms will also impact St. Matthews, Prospect, Linton, Anchorage, New Albany, Sellers, Bergen-Speed, Clark Regional Airport and New Market, Watson and Prather, Harmony Village and Rolling Hills. If you are in the path of these storms, seek shelter indoors and stay away from windows. Stay tuned to Know All Hazards Radio, weather.gov/Louisville on the internet, or local media for later updates and possible warnings. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Jefferson County in north central Kentucky. This includes the city of Louisville, southern Clark County in south central Indiana, eastern Flint County in south central Indiana, at 4:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near New Albany, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will also impact St. Matthews, Linton, Jeffersontown, Spring Creek, Anchorage, Clarksville and Watson, Oak Park and Utica, Louisville Public Schools. Report severe weather to local law enforcement. Post your report to the National Weather Service Louisville Facebook page. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for southwestern Jefferson, southern Flint, and Nelson counties. At 3:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar continues to indicate a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Seven Springs, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will also impact Louisville, Valley Station, Shiley, Pleasure Ridgemont, Sugar Grove, and Fishtown. Report severe weather to local law enforcement. Post your report to the National Weather Service Louisville Facebook page. Or tweet your report using hashtag LMSpotter. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for north central Kentucky and south central Indiana, including the Louisville metro area. Severe thunderstorm watch 620 in effect until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. Tonight, partly cloudy. Scattered showers with isolated thunderstorms until midnight. Then isolated showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the lower 70s. South winds up to 5 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 30%. Thursday, partly cloudy with isolated showers and thunderstorms. Highs around 90. West winds up to 10 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 20%. Thursday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-60s. North winds up to 5 miles an hour. Friday, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-80s. Southwest winds up to 5 miles an hour. Friday night, showers and thunderstorms likely. Lows in the mid-60s. West winds up to 5 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 70%. And now the extended forecast for the radios in the area. Saturday and Saturday night, partly cloudy. A 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-70s. Lows in the mid-50s. Sunday through Tuesday night, mostly clear. High 74 to 79. Lows in the mid-50s. Wednesday and Wednesday night, partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 80s. Lows in the mid-60s. This is a special weather statement for the following counties in Indiana, Clark, and Floyd, and the following counties in Kentucky, Jefferson, Oldham, and Trimble. Strong thunderstorms with dangerous lightning, heavy rain, half-inch hail, and 50 miles per hour winds. At 3:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from 6 miles southeast of Scottsburg to 6 miles west of New Albany and moving east at 25 miles per hour. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning, heavy rain reducing visibilities, half-inch hail, and strong gusty winds of around 45 to 50 miles per hour are expected with these storms. These storms will also impact St. Matthews, Prospect, Linton, Anchorage, New Albany, Sellers, Bergen-Speed, Clark Regional Airport at Newmarket, Watson and Prater, Harmony Village and Rolling Hills. If you are in the path of these storms, seek shelter indoors and stay away from windows. Stay tuned to Know All Hazards Radio, weather.gov/Louisville on the internet, or local media for later updates and possible warnings. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Jefferson County in north central Kentucky. This includes the city of Louisville, southern Clark County in south central Indiana, eastern Floyd County in south central Indiana, and before 20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of the severe thunderstorm warning for western Jefferson, southern Floyd and eastern Harrison counties will expire at 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The storms that prompted the warning have moved out of the warned area. An additional severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for downtown Louisville and New Albany. Report severe weather to local law enforcement. Post your report to the National Weather Service Louisville Facebook page or tweet your report using hashtag #LMKSpotter. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Jefferson County in north central Kentucky. This includes the city of Louisville, southern Clark County in south central Indiana, eastern Floyd County in south central Indiana, and before 20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near New Albany, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will also impact St. Matthews, Linton, Jeffersontown, Fern Creek, Anchorage, Clarksville and Watson, Oak Park and Utica, Louisville, Bowman Field. Report severe weather to local law enforcement. Post your report to the National Weather Service Louisville Facebook page or tweet your report using hashtag #LMKSpotter.